What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some cheesy stuffed naan bread. It is so good. Can't wait for you guys to try it. I had it a few days ago, recipe testing, and the recipe is good. So now I'm gonna share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys are new to my channel, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get into this recipe. All right, guys, so for this recipe, we got 4 cups of flour. And right here we have a mix of Violife mozzarella and cheddar, as well as chopped parsley and a little bit of black sesame. The black sesame is optional, but it does give it a nice little crunch. And right here we have 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. So now you want to just add all of the flour to your wet mixture and slowly stir it in. And just keep mixing this up until it forms a ball of dough. So if you guys don't have a dough mixer, you can knead it for 5 minutes. So I just threw it in here for 5 minutes because it's a lot easier and I don't have to get my hands dirty. So after it's done kneading, you just want to cover it with some plastic wrap for about 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, you just want to roll it up into like a log and then cut it up. We have 10 pieces here. Your next step after you cut and separate the dough is to roll them up into little balls, cover them with some wrap, and let them sit for about 10 minutes while you get your filling ready. All right, guys, so the next step you want to do is roll your dough into a circular shape. And you want to make sure that you get it nice and flat on the edges. Feel free to use extra flour if it's sticking. So that's how thin the dough is. And now we want to add some vegan butter to it. And brush it all the way around, all the way to the edges. And then we can add our filling. Spread it all out. Add a little more if you need to. You don't want to add too much or else it'll be too hard to roll this up. Now what you want to do is you want to just do a slight cut about halfway in. And this is how you're going to do it. You're going to roll a little triangle and press these edges down. And keep rolling until you reach where you started. Now you want to pick it up and continue to press those edges so none of the filling leaks out. Put it down on the board and form it into a cone. And once it's sealed good, what you want to do is just press down. And then you want to let it sit, and then we're going to roll it out again. So I got about 4 dough balls left and I ran out of filling. So if you guys are gonna do this exact same recipe for the flour, just have a little bit more cheese on hand so you can fill up all of your dough balls. Now the next step is to roll these out. You guys can see the filling in there. And you want to be a bit more gentle with these ones because you don't want them to rip. So keep doing this until you roll all them out, and then we're going to cook them on a pan. So we just have the pan heated up to medium heat, and we just put it on here for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip it. All right, so this is the color that you're looking for, nice and golden brown on each side. I'm going to flip it over so you guys can see. Just brushed it with a bit of vegan butter as we were flipping it. And this one is done. And since I ran out of filling, here's a fun idea you guys can do for like a sweet treat. Put cinnamon, sugar, and tahini and do the exact same thing. Cut it with a little half and then roll it up into a ball, and that would be a nice little sweet treat. I'll also let you guys know how this one turns out as well. All right guys, let's eat. So I promised you that I would show you a little taste test of the cinnamon tahini sugar ones, and I already tried them. I'll give you a little hint, they're delicious, but I'll take a bite for you guys just because I said I would. Now the real star of the show is this one. I haven't even tried this yet, so you guys are getting my first reaction. Like music to my stomach, if that even makes sense. But it's so soft. So, the verdict, delicious. If you guys are gonna try this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys really try it, tag me on Instagram because I will repost it. And I'm gonna put my Instagram down below so you guys can see that. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. That would mean the world to me. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.